multiplying fraction. Okay, multiplying fraction. For example, 1/2, 1, 1, then 1/2 times 3/4. Yan, 1/2 times 3/4. Okay? Okay, 1/2 times 3/4. Paano kunin po yan, teacher? Yan. Walang gagawin. Okay. Long method muna natin gagamitin, no? Pwede tayong mag long method dito, no? Kaya naman, titignan mo kasi dito kung may long method ba or wala. Okay. 1 times 3. Gagawin nyo, numerator multiply to numerator. And then, denominator multiply to denominator. So, 1 times 3, 3. And then, 2 times 4 is 8. Yan na po yung final answer. Okay. Madali lang, di ba? Next. Magbigay pa rin ibang example. 4/6 multiply to 3/8. Okay. 4/6 multiply to 3/8. Okay. Long method pa rin gamitin din. Long method. Okay. 4 times 3, numerator to numerator is 12. 4 times 3 is equal to 12. Next. 6 times 8, okay, is 48. So, may nakuha tayong sagot na 12/48. Now, kailangan natin itong i-simplify. Simplify. Okay? Papaliitin natin yung number. What number can divide 12 and 48? The numerator and the denominator. Mag-isip kayo ng number na pwede siyang ipan-divide sa numerator and the denominator. I think it is possible to divide higher na by 12. 12/12. 12 divided by 12 is 1. And 12 divided by 48 divided by 12 is equal to 4. So, ang tamang sagot po ay 1/4. Kapag nakalagay sa direction is simplify your answer. Okay? Kung wala naman po na nakalagay, pwede na po ito. No? Depende po sa magiging direction na ibibigay ni teacher. Ano pa example? Okay. Now, eto na. Okay, etong nasa taas natin, yung pangalawa, ito yung 1, itong 2. Ginamit natin dito is long method. Okay, gamitin ulit natin yung number 2. Gagamit naman tayo dito ng cancellation method. Cancellation method. Okay, paano po yan, teacher? Okay? Paano po yan? Cancellation method, okay? Kopyahin natin yung given. 4/6 multiply to 3/8. Okay. Pag sinabing cancellation method, numerator and the denominator. Yung tignan niyo po yung x, kung anong katapat niya pong number, yun po yun, dun po kayo pwede mag-cancel. Ngayon, yung 4 at saka 8, what number can be divide? Parehas sila, both. Pwede silang pan-divide by 4. Divided by 4. Cancel. I-cross nyo po. I-cross. And then 4 divided by 4 is 1. Okay? 8 divided by 4 is equal to 2. Now, itong 3. Ito pang 3 is divisible by 6. Oh, yung 6 ba divisible by 3? Yes. Cancel out. Cancel out. And then 3 divided by 3, 1. 6 divided by 3, 2. Okay. Okay, dahil pinababa na po natin yung fraction, lahat po ng mga natirang number, yun na po ang inyong mga ipagmumultiply. 1 times 1 is equal to 1. And then 2 multiply by 2 is equal to 4. Okay. Tignan nyo. Ito ay nakalong method. Ito ay nakalong method. Ayan. Ito naman po ay naka-cancellation method. Okay. Mahaba ang solving ito kaya siya tinawag na long method. And then ito naman po ay nagka-cancel ka. Pinapababa mo yung number ng fraction. Okay. Tignan nyo, parehas lang po yung kinalabasan na sagot. 1/4 din doon, napakahaba. And then 1/4 din pala dito sa napakaikling solution. So, ganun lang po. Cancellation method. Another example. Okay. 9/18 times 3/12. 3/12. Okay. What number can divide? Pwede tayong mag-cancel dito. Cancel out, cancel out. What number yung pwede natin gawing divisor? Okay? 9 is divisible by 3. And then 12 is divisible by 3. So, pwede siyang 3. Up, numerator and denominator. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. Ayan. So, yung 9, naging 3 na lang. Yung 12, naging 4. Di ba? Pinapababa natin. Ito rin po, pwede natin itong paliitin. Kasi 18 is divisible by 3 din. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3, 18 divided by 3 is 6. Ayan na po. Yun na po yung natira. Okay. Yung natira po, ipag-multiply na po natin. 3 multiply by 1 is 3. 6 multiply by 4 is equal to 24. Okay? Now, pwede rin pala tayo mag-cancel out dito, no? Itong numerator and the denominator. Cancel out by 1. Cancel out. 3 divided by 3. 2 na lang to. Okay? So, wag nyo muna pala itong tignan. Pero, yan pa rin to, no? Okay. 1 times 1, 1. And then, 2 times 4 is 8. Okay. 1/8 po yung tamang sagot. Now, yung kanina nakita niyo po, 3/24. Yan po yung nakita yung sagot. Pwede tayong mag-divide dyan by 3 pa rin. Okay. Tignan natin kung 1/8 pa rin nalabas. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. So, yun. Nakita ko lang doon na may 3 at saka 6 pa. Pwede pa silang pan-divide. Pwede po yun up and down. Doon kayo mag-cancel out. And then, pwede po yung cross. Okay? Ganun lang po. Kasimple. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you so much. This for multiplying fraction. Multiplying fraction. Yan, kung bago pa lang sa aking YouTube channel, don't forget to like and share this video. And then, para po mas marami pa pong may matutunan ang mga iba pang batang makakapanood po nito. Okay, maraming salamat po. Thank you so much for subscribing our YouTube channel. God bless. Bye!